Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to build a reactivation flow here in Omnisend. All right, so first up, go ahead over to automation and then just create a new workflow. Okay, now in here, just type in reactivation. All right, and as you can see here, we have three options. Okay, one with one email and one text. Okay, other one right here got 3 emails, which can be sent in selected period of time with a set of 3 emails. Okay, this one right here only got 1. So we're just going to be using this one, for example, which states right here, re-engage your idle customers who haven't made any new orders for the selected period of time. So just click on customize workflow right in here. And by default, the trigger will be assigned to place order. Okay, as you can see here, placed order. If you want to, you can go ahead and change the trigger right here. Okay, as you can see, you have a ton of options, but this one is what we need. You have the exit condition here. Okay, as you can see here, placed order. This is the only condition. If you want to add in filters or add in more exit condition, you can go ahead and change that in this panel. Okay, you could also skip contacts who have already been in this automation just by enabling this slider. Skip contacts who are currently in or have recently completed other automations. Enable it or disable it. It's up to you. So the workflow right here, on someone placed an order. Okay, so wait for 30 days. If you want to, you go ahead and change the delay right here. Okay, just click on it and change the delay. Maybe 1 day or 1 hour, 1 week or 1 month, or even immediately. All right, tap away and your email message right here. Like say, for example, subject line will miss you. Is everything all right? And the sender's name will be you. That's basically it. If you want to change this one to a text, you can just easily drag and drop it right here and just delete the email. All right, just to make sure that you have verified your phone number in here. And if you want to as well, you could add in your own message, like maybe the first name, hi, first name. Okay, we miss you. Like so. Delete this one and just start the workflow. That is it. That is how you build a reactivation flow here in Omnisend. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.